Greetings, I am Natalia Duran from Santa Cruz, Bolivia, and on this occasion I'm going to talk about the impact of the multilingualism on mind and perception. We are going to dive into topics like the biological impacts of learning a new language, the social effects we unlock developing these skills, and finally we will talk about some tangible benefits for mastering multiple languages. Acquiring a new language involves more than just rote memorization of words and grammar rules. It involves a profound transformation in the way our brain processes information and how we relate to the world around us. In this research, we explore how learning different languages affects our brain activity and perception of the environment. It is important to understand the brain's role in the evolutionary process of language acquisition. Studying a new language activates unique areas of the brain. Learning new vocabulary and grammar rules challenges language-related brain regions, resulting in the information of strong, more efficient neural connections. This adaptive process, known as brain plasticity, not only enhances language comprehension, but also improves overall cognitive abilities by expanding knowledge. Improving our language skills allow us to overcome linguistic and cultural barriers with ease. Exploring different forms of expression and communication stimulates our creativity and flexibility, expanding our minds to embrace the diversity and complexity of the world. Multilingualism improves cognitive development by enhancing cognitive abilities. Multilingualism contributes to improved cognitive skills and overcome linguistic and cultural barriers, immersed in the cultural and linguistic complexities of different communities. Also, rethink our communication styles, expressions unique to a particular language. The concept of the linguistic sign is crucial in understanding how children learn to speak and acquire language. When a child learns a language, they begin to associate specific sounds or gestures, the signifiers, with certain meanings or concepts, the signified. This process is fundamental in the early stages of language development. As children continue to grow and interact with their environment, they refine their understanding of linguistic signs through exposure to language input from caregivers, peers, and their surroundings. They learn new words and symbols by connecting the signifier, the word or gesture, with its corresponding signifier, the meaning or concept. For example, when a child hears the word ball repeatedly in the context of playing with a spherical object, they begin to associate the sound ball with the concept of a ball. Similarly, when they see someone pointing to an object while saying cat, they learn to connect the gesture and the sound of a concept of the cat. Through this process of association and reinforcement, children gradually build their vocabulary and understanding of language. They also learn the rules and conventions of grammar, syntax, and semantics, which further shape their ability to communicate effectively. Understanding the relationship between signifiers and signifieds helps educators and parents support children's language development by providing rich and meaningful language experiences. By exposing children to a variety of linguistic signs in diverse contexts, adults can help scaffold their learning and encourage language acquisition in a natural and engaging way. Learning language other than our mother tongue challenges us to rethink our communication styles. We learn new words and grammatical structures and immerse ourselves in the cultural and linguistic complexities of different communities. This process stimulates our minds in unique ways as we encounter new forms of expression and communication. Exploring the linguistic cultural diversity of each language expands our perspective to embrace the complexity of the world around us. Expressions unique to a particular language and culture often demonstrate this. The benefits of multilingualism are better job opportunities because of higher salaries for multilingual individuals. Then facilitates international collaboration thanks to the expansion of professional networks and improves the creativity and flexibility. It expands our mind to embrace the diversity and complexity of the world. Learning multiple languages can have tangible benefits for both our personal and professional lives. Proficiency in multiple languages is a highly valued skill in the global labor market, leading up to better job opportunities and higher salaries for multilingual individuals. Furthermore, language learning facilitates international collaboration and the expansion of professional networks, creating exciting and enriching career opportunities. This research concludes that learning multiple languages is a process that goes beyond acquiring language skills. It shapes our minds, expands our worldview, and connects us to a diverse global community. By embracing linguistic and cultural diversity, we enrich our lives and contribute to building a more inclusive world. Each new language we learn brings us closer to new experiences, perspectives, and opportunities, enriching our journey through life. Mastering each language broadens our horizons and strengthens our understanding of the world, showing us how language learning improves communication skills and impacts our minds and perceptions of the world.